What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to get pre-built websites ready into your WPBakery WordPress page builder plugin for free. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and like this video. After this, go to your WordPress dashboard. To access dashboard, into the browser address bar, enter with your domain plus wp-admin and enter with your login credentials. Review the left sidebar of menus, hover mouse over plugins and hit the submenu Add Plugin. Into the upper right corner of your screen, there is a field called Search Plugins. Click and type Layouts for WPBakery and install this one right here. Click on Activate button. This is going to redirect you to the plugins list, a list where you can see all of the present plugins on your site. But if you review the left sidebar of menus on your WordPress dashboard once again, next to settings you're going to be able to find a new menu called Layouts. Click on it. Here you can see all of the layouts that this plugin offers. There is some only for premium users of the plugin and others for free users. For example, this one, it's pretty good as well. It's for pro users, and this other one right here, it's for free users. Let me choose some free design, this one of restaurant for example. You can preview the design in the case that you want, just like this. Here is the design, and you can import this on your site. How? Find the design, click on install. You can create a new page to receive this design or click on import. I'm gonna click on import. I won't cut the video so you can see the time that it actually takes to import, but of course it may change according to the internet speed, the server's speed, the other tool server speed, so no worries, okay? Template is successfully imported. Now go to our page, add new, or go to a previously made page. Click on WPBakery Page Builder to open the plugin tools. And you can choose a WordPress theme, design, or a blank page, all up to you, okay? Then click on Add Templates and let's choose the template. You can hover your mouse over it and click on this plus button. And here is the template already on our site. Let's preview it. And here is the retro website ready on our site. Of course, there is parts that are gonna need to edit. For example, this one right here. This image was not imported, so I'm gonna need to apply mine, okay? But in most cases, it looks fantastic. We already have the design and the options that we need to start building our page. And of course, you can click on the option to use the front-end editor to edit the site into the front end, okay? And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best!